Hello students, we are studying about addition and subtraction of mixed numbers, and in the previous lecture we had studied how to add the mixed numbers, and there are two methods of addition, and I taught you both the methods, and it is up to you by which method you want to solve the addition. But according to me, the first method is quite easier than the second one. In the first method, what we have to do? We have to separate the mixed numbers in addition. Then middle sign is plus, so plus, and again this mixed number we have to separate in addition. Then whole numbers plus whole numbers and fraction plus fraction. Then whole number plus whole number is this, and fraction we have to solve by making the denominators equal, and then this is your final answer. And in second method, first we have to convert the mixed number into improper fraction. This also we have to convert in improper fraction. Then for addition of two fractions, we have to make the denominator same. Then after doing this, we get another improper fraction, and this we have to convert into mixed number by doing the division. Now, same two methods we have to use for subtraction. So, I will teach you both the methods by taking one example. First, write down the question. 3 and 2 upon 5 minus 2 and 1 upon 7. Now, separate the mixed numbers. Okay. So, 3 and 2 upon 5. Then this middle sign is minus. About this mixed number 2 and 1 upon 7. Now, there is subtraction between these two numbers. Okay, so here we have to subtract the whole numbers separately and the fractions separately. So what we will write in the next step? 3 minus 2. This we have to subtract together. Okay, this is the main question. In this, subtraction of this mixed number minus this mixed number. So whole number minus whole number, fraction minus fraction. So here will come the plus sign, and fraction minus fraction. Now, why this plus sign is there? Because in a mixed number, how we pronounce it as whole number and fraction. So, and means addition in mathematics. So, whole number subtraction and fraction subtraction separate. Now, 3 minus 2 is 1, and here we have to do cross multiplication. Okay, so first this 2, then this 2, and multiply this 2. So, 7 into 2 minus sign 5 into 1 upon 5 into 7. This is the way of solving two fractions with unequal denominators. Okay, first do this 2 multiplication, right to left, then left to right, and multiply this 2 in the numerator. What we will get? 1 plus 7 2s are 14 minus 5 1s are 5 upon 35. Now, 14 minus 5 is 9 upon 35. So, your answer is 1 and 9 upon 35. This is your final answer. Understood? Now, the next one. Method 2. Again, write down the question first. Then, what is the next step? Convert into improper fractions. So 3 5s are plus 2, 2 7s are plus 1. So 3 into 5 plus 2 upon 5, same number, minus 2 into 7 plus 1 upon same denominator 7. Now 3 5s are 15 plus 2 17 upon 5 minus 2 7s are 14 plus 1 15 upon 7. Now again the same method. cross multiplication. So this 2 first, then this 2, and then this 2. Okay, so first 17 into 7 minus 15 into 5 upon 5 into 7. Now 17 into 7. If you know the table of 7, very good. Otherwise, you have to do the multiplication at the rough page, at the back side. So 119 minus 75 upon 35. 119 minus 75 is 44 upon 35. Now this is an improper fraction. So how to convert it? By doing division. 35 ones are 35. 44 minus 35 is 9. So answer is 1 and 9 upon 35. So whenever there are big multiplication, then this method becomes little bit tedious. So what we will do? Whole number minus whole number and fraction minus fraction. Even if you don't write this step, okay, that is also okay. After this you can write directly this step. Whole number minus whole number, fraction minus fraction. Whole number minus whole number, fraction minus fraction, and middle sign will be plus. Then solve this bracket separately, this bracket separately, and the last there will be a plus sign. Plus sign you have to remove, and directly you can write whole number and proper fraction. So let's begin with practice set 10, question number 1. So now I am going to teach you with the first method only. In addition, I taught you both the methods, but here we will take only one method. So equal to, what I said, whole number minus whole number, 3 minus 1, and fraction minus fraction. Understood? Whole number minus whole number, fraction minus fraction. Now 3 minus 1 is 2, then plus sign, then this bracket, cross multiplication. Okay, so for cross multiplication, first right to left, and then left to right, and then these two numbers with itself. So 4 ones are 4 minus 3 ones are 3 upon 4 into 3. Understood why we take right to left first? Because there is a minus sign, and if you take the reverse order, means अगर आप पहले 3 लेंगे तो ये 3 minus 4 हो जाएगा, तो आंसर निगेटिव में आएगा, विच विल बी रॉन्ग. तो पहले ये दो करना है, उसके बाद ये दो मल्टीप्लाई करना है. नाउ 2 plus 4 minus 3 1, and 4 3s are 12. So your answer is 2 and 1 upon 12. 2 plus 1 upon 12 means 2 and 1 upon 12 over. Next, 5 and 1 upon 2. So whole number minus whole number means 5 minus 3 plus fraction minus fraction, 1 upon 2 minus 1 upon 3. Now 5 minus 3 is 2, plus sign as it is, here cross, 3 ones are 3 minus 2 ones are 2 upon 3 into 2. Though, so it will be 3 minus 2 1, 3 2s are 6, means your answer will be 2 and 1 upon 6. Always remember, with whole number the fraction should be proper, means ऊपर छोटा नंबर होना चाहिए, नीचे बड़ा, तो ही हमारा आंसर करेक्ट है. Now the third one. In the third one, again whole number minus whole number, 7 minus 6, and means plus fraction minus fraction, 1 upon 8 minus 1 upon 10. Now 7 minus 6 is 1, and here again cross, 10 ones are 10, 8 ones are 8 upon 8 into 10. Okay, first this 2, then this 2 and denominator this 2. So 10 minus 8 is 2 and 8 tens are 80. Okay, 2 upon 80. Now you can observe that 2 and 80 both are divisible by 2. ये दोनों नंबर 2 से डिवाइड होते हैं, तो इसको हम और रिड्यूस करेंगे by dividing it with 2. So we will get 1 and 1 upon 40. Okay, 2 ones are 2 and 2 40s are 80. So we get 1 and 1 upon 40. This is our final answer. Now the last one. Whole number minus whole number and fraction minus fraction. Now 7 minus 3 is 4 and here cross 5 ones are 5, 2 ones are 2. So 5 ones are 5 minus 2 ones are 2 upon 5 into 2. Now this 5 minus 2 how much? 3 upon 10. 3, 10. So 3 and 10 same table में आते हैं क्या कोई? No. So this is our final answer. Okay. So these 4 questions you have to solve in your notebook. Question number 2 of practice set 10. Understood addition and subtraction of mixed numbers. In subtraction what you have to do? Whole number minus whole number and fraction minus fraction. And in addition what you will do? Whole number plus whole number and fraction plus fraction. Here everywhere plus sign will be there, and in subtraction only in the middle plus sign will be there, and remaining things we have to subtract from each other. Means bigger number minus smaller number. Understood? So these 4 examples you will write in your notebook. Understood? In the next lecture we are going to see word problems based on addition and subtraction of mixed numbers. Okay, thank you.